Come on, children, let's count today from 1 to 10 in a fun way. Clap your hands and dance around, learning numbers with a joyful sound. One bright sun up in the sky, shining down on you and I. Allah made it warm and bright, giving us its golden light. 2 little eyes to see the world, 2 little hands that can beat go, 2 little feet to jump and play. Thank you, Allah, every day. 3 little flowers in a row, red and yellow, watch them grow, swaying gently in the breeze, pretty colors if you please. 4 little birds upon a tree, singing songs so merrily, chirp, 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 they sing all day, flying high and far away. 5 little fingers on each hand, wave them high, isn't it grand? Count them with me one by one, learning numbers is such fun. 6 bright stars up in the night, twinkling, sparkling, shining bright. Allah made them way up high, decorating the dark sky. 7 colors in the rainbow arc, after rain, before it's dark. Red, orange, yellow, green, the prettiest bow I've ever seen. Blue, indigo, violet too, Allah's gift for me and you. 8 pretty butterflies fly around, wings of color without a sound, landing softly on the flowers, dancing through the garden hours. 9 little books upon the shelf, I can read them by myself. Stories, pictures, words to learn, knowledge grows with every turn. 10 happy children in a line, holding hands, feeling fine, playing, laughing, friends together, happy children now and ever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, learning makes us feel alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, let's count them all again. We can count from 1 to 10, we'll sing this song again and again. At Babylon we learn and grow, numbers, colors, all we know. Thank you, Allah, for this day, for helping us to learn and play. With knowledge bright, our future's clear, we'll grow stronger every year.